Yes, be ready. Start. There is a presumption in Hindu law that a family is joint. Stop. There can be a division in status among the members of a joint Hindu family by refinement of shares, which is technically called division in status or an actual division among them by allotment of specific property to each one of them, which is described as division by metes and bounds. Stop. A member not receive any share in the joint estate but may renounce his interest therein. His renunciation merely extinguishes his interest in the estate but does not affect the status of the remaining member vis-a-vis the family property. Stop. A division bench in status can be effected by an unambiguous declaration to become divided from the others, and that intention can be expressed by any process. So, even after the dissolution of the partnership, the fact that it had all along been treated as a joint family property, both the branches of through his two wives, is evident as they were the subject matter of the OS number 2459 of 1982. Stop. The fact that in the said suit the properties of were described as the joint family co-partnership property is not in dispute. Stop. Plaintiffs contended that it was who was behind the said mechanism. Stop. That may be so or may not be. Stop. The fact remains that a consent decree was passed pursuant to a settlement arrived at between the two branches. Stop. They decided that the properties may be divided half and half. Stop. Indisputably, the said consent decree has been acted upon. Stop. Once the consent decree has been acted upon, the question of reopening the entire suit by setting aside the decree passed in the said OS number 2459 of 1982 would not arise. Stop. It is also not in dispute that the properties which fell in the share of the parties hereto and are only for houses. Stop. It is also of some significance to note that the plaintiffs initially filed a suit in respect of the house in which had been given 1/3 share after the partition was brought about in terms of the decree passed the said OS number 2459 of 1982. Stop. The basic for the entire suit being commission of fraud and obtaining the said consent decree, it was obligatory on the part of the plaintiffs to pray for setting aside the said decree. Stop. The pleadings of the appellants in the said suit in what they are parties are binding on them in the subsequent proceedings. Property vigor, unless fraud was proved, they could not have got rid of the same. Stop. Stanza. The said decree has been acted upon. Stop. Pursuant to or in furtherance of the said decree, 10 sale deeds have been executed. Stop. It may be true that although the properties were described as co-partnership property and both the branches were granted equal share, but it must be remembered that the decree was passed on the basis of the settlement arrived at. Stop. It was in the settlement. Stop. Some give and take was necessary for the purpose of arriving of settlement. Stop. A portion by metes and bounds may not always be possible. Stop. A family settlement is entered into for achieving a larger purpose vis-a-vis achieving peace and harmony in the family. Stop. Stanza. The concept of family arrangement or settlement and the present in one hand, in our opinion, should be treated differently. Stop. technicalities of limitation, etc., should not be put at risk of the implementation of a settlement drawn by a family, which is essential for maintaining peace and harmony in a family. Stop. Also, it can be seen from decided cases of this court that any such arrangement should be upheld if family settlements were entered into to allay disputes existing or apprehended, and even any dispute or difference apart if it was entered into bona fide to maintain peace or to bring about harmony in the family. Stop. Even a claim or some other ground as say affection may suffice as observed by the court in Ramcharan Das versus Gurcharan Devi. Stop. Stanza. One of the grievances raised by Mr. is that the original deed of the partition 22nd July 1957 was not produced. Stop. It was, however, a registered document. A perusal of the averments made in the plaint categorically goes to show that the partition referred to therein by and between Kumar Srinivasan and his brother related to the partition affected in 1957. Stop. The plaintiffs' appellants were thus aware thereof. Stop. They did not contend in the plaint that the said deed of the partition dated 22nd July 1957 was in fact and substance a deed of dissolution of partnership. Stop. It stated so far the first time in the list of dates in the special leave petition. Stop. In response thereto only the respondents have produced the said deed, and though to adduce additional evidence to prove the said fact. Stop. In our opinion, it is not necessary to do so, as the admissions made by the appellants in their pleadings themselves are sufficient to hold that the property was a joint family property, and by reason of the said deed of settlement culminating in passing of the compromise decree dated 2011-1982, a valid consent decree was passed. Stop. It is not a case that there had been a fraud or misrepresentation on the part of alone there, but if a fraud or misrepresentation is to be attributed, the same must be attributed to the entire family representing both the branches. Stop. They must have thought that by reason of such averments a settlement can be brought about. Stop. The averments made in the suit filed by one branch were accepted by the other branch without any demur whatsoever. Stop. Even otherwise, in view of the well settled principles of law, that when a son gets a property from his family father, as soon as sons are born to him, a joint family is constituted. Stop. It is not a case that sons from either side of the family were born before the Hindu Succession Act 1952 came into force. Stop. The said compromise decree was acted upon. Stop. A deed of partition was entered into. Stop. Stanza. All the properties including signature came to the office of the sub-registrar for the said purpose. Stop. There is nothing to show, nor the plaint contains any averments that a fraud or misrepresentation had been practiced on. Stop. It is true that she was not well and had undergone an operation at Vellore, but bereft of that, there is nothing to show that she was keeping unwell for a long time so as not to possess a sound disposing mind. Stop. Before the said deed of partition was entered into on 15th July 1957. Stop. A special power of attorney was executed in favor of the respondent. Number 1. Stop. A real recital was made therein that she had agreed to relinquish her interest. Stop. Over.